Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we're gonna do a quick unboxing video. It may not even be that quick because it's a big old box, but hopefully this thing is inside. This may potentially be one of my best models of all time. It may also appreciate in value to be one of the most expensive models I've ever owned eventually in time. It's basically a BBR Ferrari F12 TDF Giaggio. This is the full open edition. You guys are gonna see the crazy box it comes in, and also only 100 of these ever made. The moment they came out, they were all already sold, so you can't even much find this anymore. If you do, I will highly recommend that you buy it right away. However, prices are starting to climb up. If you happen to find one, you might pay more than what the retail was. But I was on this item as soon as it came out. But I'll stop talking now. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this big old box, and let's see what we have inside. This should be a pretty easy unbox due to the fact that it's just simply just some tape, nothing too crazy. I did this side. Just gonna turn around this side now. Alright, I'm almost done here. Alright, so the tape has been cut on both sides. So now I'm just going to grab my scissors. Just going to cut down this middle. I'm going to put the camera down for just a tad, just a couple seconds. Go ahead and move this away a little bit. I'm hoping that you guys can get a nice little view. Okay, well, I guess that's the view that we're going to have to do with for now. Go ahead and try to hurry this up for you guys real quick. Alright, so the box is finally open. As you guys can see, we have a lot of foam. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of this foam on the floor. Already I like what I'm seeing. You guys can see that big old BBR logo right there. It looks just marvelous. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down for just 2 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and hold on to this. Don't let that box fall under. And here we got the main box. Okay, so now in this box I do see a lot of bubble wrap, which is good. Doesn't look like it's something too difficult. I'm gonna simply make my cut right here, and sure enough, this thing's starting to open. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it right here too. Yeah, so I think this would be enough right here for what we're trying to do. You guys can see the big old luxury models from Italy on the box. So that's definitely a good sign. Go ahead and let's open this further. Now, if you guys can see, it says BBR on the top. It says luxury models Italy. Let's see if there's anything else worth noting, because I might just leave this outer box in this bubble wrap right here. Can I? Okay, no. Okay, so I have to actually open this fully. This opens up kind of like a chest box or something like that. Everybody that plays Fortnite, you guys will have an idea of what I mean. Okay, so here we go. This is the box right here. Big old BBR logo at the top. Just gonna go ahead and very gently, because even with this outer box I'm gonna be very, very careful. And okay, let's take a look at what we have right here, guys. All right, this is pretty different. Or you guys that collect BBRs, you guys already are noticing how different this is starting to look. Very rarely do you see a BBR box this way. Trying not to give it too many folds or anything like that. I do see a handle down here. Okay, so we got the box, the original box, this box out the way, and now we got this big old briefcase, lunchbox looking thing of a box, pretty crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and just I'm gonna peel back all this plastic. back some of this plastic, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this here, but this is all very, very fancy. And right here we got the moment of truth, guys. Do we? Okay, what do we have here? We have a BBR, kind of like embossed type of logo. We have more BBR, limited edition. Let's see what we have here. Here we have a tool to, I guess, open up the model. Not gonna really like look at that right now. This is, I guess, some kind of certificate of authenticity or something like that, I'm pretty sure. We'll go ahead and put this to the side. We'll put the tool also to the side. This feels like suede, by the way. This is literally suede right here, which is pretty crazy. Wow, so this opens up this way. It's a sleeve. And wow, guys, here we have it. It's pretty filled up in bubble wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and try to now remove that plexiglass case from that box, you know, so we can go ahead and unveil this, you know, super dope Ferrari TDF. So here we go. I'm assuming I gotta lift this up, and yep, that's the case. We'll lift this up very, very gently, and we'll move this to the side right quick. All right, so we got this unveiled, and here we got our model. Super nice, just ridiculously detailed. We have a bunch of bubble wrap here, so it's gonna take me a while to probably cut through all this and actually bring it out, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys what it is that we have here. This is what limited edition. Mine's is number 19, guys. Pretty low model. Number 19 out of 100. If you guys can notice the blue stitching on the base, super nice. It's got blue stitching on the base. You know, by the way, this is a fully openable model, and it's pretty ridiculous, guys. Okay, if you guys can see the detail on this, still trying to see if I have you know, a way to kind of pierce through this, or should I just leave it in the box like this, because it's honestly, you can still admire and appreciate the box even as it is. We'll go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and try to move this a little bit more, kind of put this way. Let's see what this is. I guess BBR has an app, guys. Look at this. BBR has an app. This is pretty cool. I might actually check this out. Yes, BBR models definitely has an app, so I'm gonna download that. But yeah, guys, just showing you guys a little bit more. Here's the Ferrari TDF. It's pretty incredible. Pretty awesome model. As you guys can see, just beautiful, you know, paint job. Just everything is just dope in this. It might be just a little bit too heavy. I'm gonna see if I can lift this up to the light. Actually, I can. It's a bit heavy, but I think I can safely do this. And here we go, guys. So just look at the color on the brakes. It does come on a plexiglass case like this. You know, a lot of detail everywhere. I believe the gas cap does open. It looks like it's openable from what I see. You know, yellow brakes, yellow Ferrari badges, logos. Let's take a look at the back. Just the detail on this is just superb. I mean, you couldn't pretty much ask for more on a model. And I think I'm definitely going to keep this in this display case, because it's just too ill like this. You know, although I'm debating on maybe opening it up and taking those stickers off, because if you leave those stickers off in due time, maybe they can almost like get too stuck to the paint and mess it up. But if you guys can take a notice of the 3D edge vents right here in the front, I mean, this is typical of what you expect the BBR. The Ferrari logo on the hood, the emblem is definitely like an embossed 3D type of logo, so it's not no sticker or anything like that, which I expected. Same thing on the logo on the side. Ferrari TDF on the base, and just nice interior, guys. Color matching interior with blue. You know, I might do a full review and have it fully open. I mean, but you guys can look these models up online and see what it looks like on the inside. It's almost like way too valuable and too crazy to even, you know. But I might make another video later on to really go through it with more time and with more detail. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick brief on this item while I did the unboxing video. I'm extremely pleased. The seller once again did a great job. I believe the seller's name, it's Raceline Models. So make sure you guys check out Raceline Models out of Florida. They're very professional. This took literally 3 days to get to me. I live in Florida, but still just very punctual, you know. But yeah, guys, this is your boy Florida Car Buff, and we'll go ahead and end the video right here. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe and slap a fat like to the video if you enjoyed the video. And with that said, I'm going to sign out and work on the next diecast video. And until the next one, I'm outie, guys. Please.